We have been a bit busy. We've been a bit busy. This is day, we don't know what actually number-wise it is. But this is the attempt on trying to install the children's seat. What are we using here?
Super long.
So, Greg drained the
PP fluid.
PP fluid, as he calls it.
Made from PP, so it's PP.
And we are drilling. Late at night. It is Friday. Go Greg. Yay, go Greg. Hopefully we'll get this to work because he...
Mosquitoes.
Again, poor mosquitoes. They love you.
Poor mosquitoes?
No, actually poor you, I guess. Anyway, so what did you say? That the hole will be too close to the tank?
I don't know. It looks like it goes exactly where the mount for the...
Hopefully we'll make it work. We shall see.
Hitting the long pipe that goes from the gearbox
Yes!
to the end of the car?
I think, yes, you are! You're hitting it!
Okay, thank you, Soneczko. Oh, I
Dave?
see it now. Thanks for shining the light. See, that's what I needed.
Another day of
When building?
building. Trying to install the seats. Rails. Well,
Rails.
seat rails. It got dark last time we were here. Mosquitoes were eating
Treacherous.
us alive. So it had to be another day, and Miko is helping. We pulled out the tank for the ammonia, PP ammonia, and we actually had the seats in here to give it a test. We went as close to the front as possible. And this is where it's gonna go. Hopefully, once we install it, it will be okay. It will be okay. Yes, it will. All right, off we go. Or Greg goes. So we decided to reuse the old flooring that came with the van, and then apply our own floor on top of it. But we would like to make a little extra step to fill it in so we have more room because of the seats. So right now Greg is on the bottom trying to reuse the same holes we had to mark where our seats will go. So he's down there trying to get it going. So far he says the tank is in the way, and I guess we'll see if he has success. We'll keep you posted.
how hard it's
technically third day of doing the seats. First day at night wasn't really that much, but so day 3
of doing this.
of doing it actually. Finally doing the seats. So Miko is checking what for Daddy?
I'm not checking it. I'm putting in a screw. You need to hold
You're putting it in there?
Hold the screw on. Hold the screw. Yeah.
This is what they're doing. One from the bottom, one from the top. One is holding, the other one is putting it in. Yes? Screwing it in?
Yes, basically. Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, no. Alright. Off to work we go. Okay, so what do we have here?
We have a special saw for metal.
And why do we have that bar? What is our deal with that?
So when you get a cargo Sprinter, there is no mounts for the second row seats.
Or any?
Or any seats, yeah. So we bought carriage bolts. They're about 6 inches long. And the frame on the floor is pretty thin. So these are gonna go through here and it will stop it from pulling out in case of accident. Better safe than sorry.
Alright. So we're cutting up that metal piece into pieces.
So
And
this is a cold saw. It cuts through metal like butter, but it also sends hot shavings.
alright.
In the bin, one of the ones I just. Can do lube.
Yeah, we can.
So we decided to relocate to the garage for a better hold. So Greg can do what, 2 at once?
No, it's about drilling and holding at the same time.
Yeah.
Next part. What are we doing? Welding.
Wow, you didn't say soldering.
Well, soldering is the small ones, aren't they?
I should have some gloves, I know, yeah. I'm a veteran. More power!
It's your welding skills.
Don't show my first welds. First welds the worst. I'll do a good one, then you can take a picture.
Videos. Yay. Wood glue and
this
we're
glue in.
putting on the floor. This is for the
So we're doing a step extension.
because
Can you show him this? So there's a new piece of wood that's kind of stapled.
right
You shaking all this.
extra piece of wood that goes all the way down there.
So we're gonna have this piece of wood land here and hopefully reinforce the joint. So I'm putting some wood glue and then we're gonna do some screws from the top. In addition.
Da-da-da.